welcome to the Wafflecast. So today we're going to be talking about the pool game, and we got some mail. So first and foremost, the pool game, I finally got pretty much all of it finalized. So it's going to be April 20th at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's going to be $5 a pool. Every 5 pools that you purchase, you get 1 extra spot on the prize wheel. Now, if you're a Patreon member, you can go and see on Patreon, but depending on the level of membership you are on Patreon, will get you extra pools and or extra spots on the wheel. The grand prize is 1 Outlaws of Thunder Junction Play Booster box, but if we do get to a certain point to where we completely sell out, I might bump it up to give away a box of that and a collector box, completely sealed, full pack, 12 packs, 1 person takes a collector box, but that's if we sell out. So you can visit YouTube or my Patreon. The links will be down below for the purchase of pools, and I'm working on the entire list of prizes because I might be adding more stuff to it, but there's going to be things like this nice little kindly pin. There's going to be there's a bunch of cards that are not in the pool game that will be part of the wheel of prizes. So there is a bunch of stuff to give away. So if you're interested, links down below. Sign up, and it's gonna be lit if you get the reference. Anyways, let's dive into this. So this is from DJ Longhair, and we are gonna crack this thing open if I can find a way. Well, let's just do this. Will this work? Do I have strong enough hands? I do. Ooh, we got it. All right. So, I guess I won something on a YouTube short. So let's see what we got here. So, God, I really like that. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try to do it like this, I guess. I don't know. I didn't really plan for this. So, all right, we got to land. Let's just get in here. All right. So this looks like it was from our pack. So we got Kylock, the Inventor, foil, and let's see. Did we get any slimes? No, we did not. So then apparently there's some Ixalan stuff thrown in here. Captain Sanary, we got foil showcase this guy, not even gonna say his name. We got a bunch of the Ixalan lands in here. We must have gotten a land pack, so that's cool. We got a Jaya Ballard Task Mage, 1000 Face Shadow, an Icefall Regent. Ooh, I have one of these, but I can always use another one. Kyodai, the Soul of Kamigawa. Let's see what else we got. We got an Iron Soul Enforcer. Is it gonna focus? Is it gonna focus? There we go. We got an Invoke Justice. That's a nice one there. Myriad Construct. It's focusing. Look at that. That is one of the promos. It's a Stone Coil Serpent. We got a First Responder here. Wee wee wee. We got a God of Kinship. Wow, he sent me a lot of stuff here. And we got a Kazandu Mammoth. Big old woolly boy. And we got a Opportunistic Dragon. I don't know what. Maybe if I take my face out of it, it'll focus. There we go. Yeah, I gotta figure out this autofocusing. Oh, good, he hit me up. Oh, yes. So this is a big fat thing. I was asking him, hey, get me a bunch of food tokens. I need these for the pool game. And look at that, food tokens galore. What these are for is basically for Patreon and for the pool game. I will be signing these, and these will be given out to people who participate in the pool game and stuff like that. And if you sign up as Patreon, it goes in your little welcome package. And then these are the last 3 cards: 2 Thought Scours and a foil Make Disappear. So thank you very much, DJ. I will put his channel, which I think all of you have already subscribed to him that follow me, because, you know, I'm the little man. So, yes, awesome. I've been needing food tokens. I need to get more. Hey, if you want to send me food tokens, hit me up. I will give you an address to send them to. I can always use more food tokens. But yes, it's a short, sweet video. I'm planning. I got some stuff to take care of this week, so I'm not trying to bore you guys to death. Plus, I didn't have time to come up with a topic. I got softball practice and a bunch of other stuff going on. So I am really busy, especially trying to get this pool game really situated, so that you guys really, really get your money's worth and have fun. And you know, we're gonna do it live. Fuck it, we'll do it live. We're gonna do it live, and so if we sell out before the event, great. If not, we will be selling pools during the event too. So let's just see what happens, right? So join me on 420, and I can't wait. It's gonna be fun. I have so much stuff to give away. If you haven't seen the picture already, I put a very small taste of cards that are on there. This card right here, it's a foil etched Sheldred. I actually have 2 of these. There will be one in the pool game for somebody to randomly get in their $5 pools, and there will be one on the prize wheel. So you will have 2 chances to win a Sheldred. But if you haven't subscribed and you want to subscribe, once we hit 250 subscribers, we're giving away a regular Sheldred the Apocalypse. I know, it just... Let me see. Screw it. Anyways, it's shiny because of the glare, but it's not it's a regular one. But anyways, so we're giving away 3 Sheldreds on this channel. That should be more than enough for you to subscribe, follow, share, join the pool game, all that fun shit, right? All right. So anyways, I'm not going to take any more of your guys' time, but thank you guys for stopping by, watching the video. And as always, stay syrupy, my friends.